Birds have captivated humans for centuries, especially with their remarkable courtship rituals. For instance, the bowerbird, native to Australia, constructs elaborate structures called bowers, decorated with colorful items to attract a mate. In the tropical rainforests, the spectacular bird of paradise performs intricate dances, showcasing stunning plumage and acrobatics to woo potential partners. Meanwhile, the male sage grouse gathers and lecks, puffing out his chest while emitting booming calls to impress females. These fascinating behaviors illustrate the diverse ways birds express love and the complexity of their social interactions.